Hello everyone, welcome to science class. So, we are discussing about the structure of leaf, is right? So, what are the main functions of leaf? We have to study the main duties of a leaf in a plant, the main functions of a leaf in a plant. You can see one activity is there in your textbook, page number 56, activity 4. Nothing is that we have to do a small activity by using a small plant, herb, any herb or shrub you can select. We require 2 polythene bags. So cover one of the branch, a small branch of a herb by using a polythene bag, plastic sheet that is available from shops and others at the time of buying vegetables and others. Okay. So take this white colored, glassy color. You can see in the figure 7.11. Okay. So cover the branch with the leaves by using this and tie the mouth of this polythene bag. Like that you have to cover the another, you have to tie the mouth of the another polythene bag also without keeping in the leaf or without not cover over the leaf. Okay, so what are the two covers? How you want to keep the two covers? One cover you have to use to enclose the branch, the small stem of a plant. The other one you can keep as empty without keeping any plant. Okay, so both are tied up. Okay, by you the mouth of this both covers you have to tie by using small thread or something else. Then observe this two covers for the next day. You can see that the cover with the leaves and branches appears somewhat fade. That fading is because of the presence of a lot of water vapor inside the cover. A lot of water vapor we can see inside the cover. At the same time, the other cover, the empty cover, there is no such kind of fading or there is no such kind of water vapor. This indicates that water is coming out from the leaves of plant. The process of release of water through the leaves of plant is called transpiration. As water vapor, the leaves are releasing out extra water present in the body. It is a type of sweating in animals, Bayerkel. Okay, so this transpiration is one of the very important process conducted by the leaf, and it is one of the very important function of the leaf. Another function of the leaf that we already know, what is that? Leaf is considered as the factory of a plant. That is, leaf can produce the food by photosynthesis. So it can produce the food by photosynthesis, and the food is stored by the different parts of the plant, and this food we are using. We means including this human beings. All other animals are using, or all other animals are depending on this food produced by the plants. Can you say what is the name of the food prepared by the leaf? It is nothing. That is a carbohydrate. Carbohydrate that we studied in the beginning of the chapter, one of the important nutrient required by the body of animals. So this carbohydrate, how can we identify carbohydrate is producing by the plant? Another activity is there on the same page. You can see activity 5. Nothing is that you have to take one leaf, then a beaker with water, then some spirit or ethyl alcohol or something is needed to boil the leaf. So boiling of this leaf kills the cells present in the leaf, and also we have to decolorize the leaf. We want to remove the complete color, green color from the leaf. So in order to decolorize the leaf, we are using the alcohol or spirit. Keeping the leaf in alcohol and boiling removes the complete green color from the leaf. Okay, so after that we can use the reagent, chemical used for testing starch or carbohydrate. Can you name what is the name of the chemical used for that purpose? That is the iodine solution. So when we are adding iodine solution over the leaf after boiling, what we can see, there will be a color change. What is the expected color change? That is a bluish black color. So this bluish black color indicates that the leaf contains starch or carbohydrate. Okay. So did you get what are the two main functions of leaf now? What are they? One is the transpiration and the second one is the photosynthesis. These are the two main functions performed by the leaf. Okay, the remaining part we will discuss in next class.